In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms for feedback. Getting clear, structured feedback after an event is essential, and Microsoft Forms makes it quick to set up. You'll just need to be signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do that first. First, open your browser and go to forms.office.com. From the home page, head to the Templates gallery. We'll use a ready-made template to save time and make sure we don't miss common questions. Scroll through the templates and look for one called Post-Event Feedback Survey. Templates are grouped by use case, so you may need to browse the categories or use the search bar at the top to find it. When you see it, select it to open the template in the Form Designer. Your survey will load with a title, a short description, and several sample questions. Take a moment to scroll down the form and skim everything that's included. You'll notice a mix of question types such as multiple choice, ratings, and long answer text. This quick pass helps you understand the flow respondents will experience. Now customize. Click any question to edit its wording so it matches your event's tone and terminology. Update answer options, adjust rating scales if needed, and use the required toggle on the questions you must have answered. Keep questions concise and single-focused. For example, split double-barreled questions into separate items so the data is easier to act on. If your audience includes different groups, rename labels so they're crystal clear. You can delete questions that aren't relevant, duplicate ones you want to reuse, and drag to reorder items to create a logical progression from overall satisfaction to specific details and open comments. While you're here, update the form title and description so participants know what the survey is about and approximately how long it will take. When you're happy with the edits, check the questionnaire. Use the preview button to see exactly what respondents will see, and switch between computer and mobile views to confirm the layout works on small screens. Walk through the form yourself, answer each question, and submit a test response. This is the easiest way to vary if the required questions are enforced, scales read correctly, and wording makes sense. If anything feels confusing or out of order, return to the editor, make quick adjustments, and preview again. That's it. Your post-event feedback form is set up and ready to capture insights you can trust.